Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Friday, December 8th. And someplace I've got 3 pairs of glasses laying around, so today it's Harry Carry Day. And as far as the headlines go, widespread snow will move in tonight. I think most areas will see a solid 2 to 4 inches of snow. And that'll last right in through at least midday on Saturday before things get a little bit better. And we can see up to half a foot of snow as you get closer towards the lakeshore where there are some winter weather advisories. I would expect that maybe by later tonight we could see some expansion to more counties within that winter weather advisory, but we'll wait and see. Again, that clipper system will bring the widespread snow to much of the area for tonight right into tomorrow. Welcome to winter, and we got some mighty cold temperatures coming early next week. We could be down between 0 and 10 above 0 for lows as we get into Tuesday night. So again, some very chilly and very wintry like weather. Our climate data for today: normal high is 35, the normal low is 21, and the highest temperature recorded on this date 61 back at 66, and the low temperature is 0 in 1976. You can see yesterday we had a high of 29.9, a low of 24.4, both of those occurring in the afternoon and evening hours as temperatures have stabilized. With the system heading our way, we're getting a little bit of a southwest breeze, and that's going to bring some additional snowfalls to these counties here with the southwest flow again coming off Lake Michigan. That'll enhance the snowfall amounts in those areas there. Again, most of the rest of the area should see about 2 to 4, maybe 5 inches of snow. As far as conditions around the area this morning, pretty uniform temperatures in the low 20s. And again, without the lake influence, you can see some of our normally colder spots this time of year when the winds are out of the southwest, down in the southeast part of the state, down to 17 and 18 degrees above 0 at Blissford and Jasper. At the radar, you can see a pretty good winter storm actually being recorded across the deep south into the Carolinas, with snow being reported in Texas and Louisiana, down in Mississippi and Alabama and Georgia, where they have winter storm warnings for a number of locations down there. So 1 to 3 to as much as 5 or 6 inches once you get up higher elevations of the Carolinas. And if we look at the weather map this morning, you can see trough of low pressure coming down, pinwheeling across the area. And again, that's not going to bring us the heaviest snow, but it will enhance the snow across the southern portions of the state here this morning into around the noon hour. And then we're going to wait for a clipper system to come zipping through, and you can see on tomorrow's weather map that'll come down to about the Muskegon area, and again it'll continue to move off to the east-southeast. And again, pretty good dynamics, a lot of lift involved, pretty decent moisture as well. The only thing is where the greatest lift is. If it were to occur a little bit higher in depth into the saturation area, I think we could see more snow production. But as it is, it's going to be a pretty good snowmaker. And again, this will be a widespread snow, I think about 90 to 100% coverage of the snow. So everybody's going to get accumulating snow as we go through the overnight hours into tomorrow. How much snow might we expect? You can see the WPC forecast is calling for a pretty solid 2 to 4 inches of snow across the area, and again heavier as you get towards Lake Michigan. And of course we continue to see lots of snow downwind from the snow machines called the Great Lakes. As far as the forecast goes for today, you can see not too bad today. The snow will move in tonight and it should taper off. I think our heaviest snow is going to fall from around 10 or 11 o'clock, maybe midnight, to about 9 or 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. So it'll be about an 8 to 12 hour period where the snow will be quite steady. And you can see temperatures, again, are going to be mainly in the upper 20s to low 30s throughout the period. But as we get into Tuesday, highs only in the low 20s and lows dropping down to about 5 to 10 above 0. So very chilly, and this will be the scene across much of the area here as we go through. And again, winter weather advisories are likely to be expanded. Right now they're covering a few counties, but we expect those to expand at least a few more counties here once we get through the afternoon and we get the very latest run before the storm hits. As far as weather watch this morning, you can see a number of the areas under winter weather advisories and some winter storm warnings across far southeast lower Michigan, northwest Indiana, around the Michiana area, where they could see a half a foot of snow. And again, we're going to watch this system because these systems do tend to outperform when they have really good dynamics such as this one does. So we'll see what happens. But again, I would not be surprised to see many more counties, at least 1, maybe 2 more rows of counties expanded here, and many of the areas up north I think will go under a winter weather advisory as well from this system. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.